How to fix Cash App won't let me request money. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If a Cash App is not letting you request money, there might be a couple of reasons why. First and foremost, check for the amount of money that you are requesting. There is a certain criteria for it, so make sure you are not succeeding above the limit. After that, check for the sender credentials. That could be the email address and the mobile number. Make sure you have entered it correctly. If that is not the case, you need to clear up the cache built up. For that, launch your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. Firstly, tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After which, the bug or the glitch issue must be solved and solve your problem. Also check that if you are connected to a VPN connection. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it ASAP. Then try again to request money. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.